Understanding Political Activism, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its various expressions. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: political activism. This phrase is not just about politics. It's about action, involvement, and making a difference. Stay with us as we break down what political activism involves and why it's important in today's world. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, this guide will help you understand the essence of political activism. Political activism refers to the efforts and actions taken by individuals or groups to influence political decisions or bring about social change. It's about being proactive in the political sphere, striving to make your voice heard, and advocating for causes you believe in. Political activists work in various ways, including organizing protests, participating in campaigns, and engaging with lawmakers to push for new policies or laws. The key element here is action, moving beyond just holding opinions to actively working towards change. Political activism can take many forms, each with its own strategies and goals. Let's look at some common types. Protests and marches, public gatherings where people voice their concerns and demand change. These are powerful in drawing attention to issues. Social media campaigns, using platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to spread awareness and mobilize support. Lobbying, directly engaging with politicians or government officials to influence legislation or policy decisions. Community organizing, building local support and networks to address community-specific issues and promote change from the ground up. Each method serves different purposes and can be effective in its own right, depending on the context and goals of the activism. Political activism plays a crucial role in democratic societies. It empowers individuals, gives people a voice and a way to contribute to the political process, drives social change. Many significant social advancements, such as civil rights and environmental protections, have been achieved through activism. Influences policy. Activism can lead to legislative changes by showing public support for or opposition to certain policies. Understanding the impact of political activism highlights its importance in shaping societies and ensuring that governments reflect the will of the people. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of political activism and its vital role in modern society. Whether through protests, social media, or community organizing, political activism offers a path for individuals to participate in the democratic process and work towards the change they wish to see in the world. Remember, every big movement starts with a single step, and your voice matters. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Stay curious, and keep learning.